Rightio, welcome back to the Budget Kitchen. Something different. I had this given to me by a friend, thanks Kush. Backcountry cuisine, your freeze-dried stuff. I understand hiking, you're going in, that in a bag with some water, boil your water, and you've got a meal. This is a roast lamb and vegetable mix. We're gonna give it a go. Not so much budget cooking. The price tag on this is $12.95. Best before 30th of Jan 2023, so we've still got a bit over a year. Again, hiking, I can understand it. Maybe even on the motorbike, I can understand it too, especially if you're doing a longer trip. You don't want to have an esky with ice or refrigeration, but we'll boil some water up and see how it goes. What we got? I wonder if there's no line on the outside with your fill height, so I wonder what the inside looks like. No. What have we got here? Oh, a bit of freeze-dried. I'll get a bigger bit. Lamb. Instructions. Terrapin pouch inside, plate and base stand, pouring water as directed to... Pouring water is directed. Directed to where? There is no indication line for how much water to add. No. All I can think, you got a secondary set of tear line or tear marker there. Oh, nymphs, go away nymph. Might just add a little bit of water, and if I need to add a little bit more, we'll do it. So, boil a little bit extra if I got some extra left over for coffee in the morning that won't mind. Put the lid on it, keep the bugs out. Alright. Where's my markers? There they are. Now for some noise. While that's going there. Where is it? I'll get them. No markings on the packet, so I got no idea what's in it. But yeah, I don't know. Doesn't say anything about not adding it. Doesn't say to add it, so poor instructions. We'll let this boil up and I'll get back to you in about 50 seconds. Rightio. Get some lights on. There we go. So it does say how much water to add on the back, even though it's a stuck on sticker. That little grey, the little brown pack is mashed potato. I don't know why they have to be in the same packet, but yeah, water should have been added to them separately, so I've stuffed up already, but we'll see. 110 mils in this and 130 in that, so half a cup and half a cup, so we want a full cup of water. So get that back on, and we'll add some water to it. While that's cooking away, and I'll get to this in a little bit, BCF, have them for $5. I've only been using the spoon for an egg flipper in the little egg frying pan. Oh, nymphs. Die bugs. Yeah, $5 from BCF. Got one on the bike, got one in the ute now, so we're going to use that in a minute. It's short, but I'll get to the point in a minute. Alright, so that water's boiled. That water's boiled again. So, about a cup. Unfortunately, the measuring indicators in this are mils and not things, so there's half a litre in there. So we want about half of it. About that. I'll move that out from under the canopy just so it doesn't. There we go. So get a bit of a mix. Oh. Yeah, rightio. Seasoning, gonna have to add seasoning to it. I'll add a little bit more water. Again, if you use this stuff all the time, you're gonna know exactly how much to add to it. But it's there, we'll zip lock it. A lot easier zip locking warm bags. Try doing that to frozen stuff, so oh, it's starting to expand. Alright, sit that there. 10 minutes they reckon, so we'll come back in 10 minutes and see if we've got some food. Plan B. Plan B. Rightio, so we're nearing the end of our 10-minute mark. We'll get a little bit of stir. I've done some research. It's too expensive unless you're going to do it commercially to buy yourself a freeze dryer. I've seen some YouTube reviews of people. Thank you, cockies. The ambience. Putting food in the bottom of the freezer for a few months to freeze dry it that way. I'm not that desperate. Again, I can see if you're hiking, the nutrients and that you're going to get from this. You can get your proteins, all that sort of stuff, the ingredients that you need to get yourself through. That's a mosquito. Get away. To get through tonight and hike the next day. But yeah, for in the ute where I've got the fridge, the motorbike where for overnight trips I've got the Esky. I think I can do it better. Air quotes better. I have found if you have your sort of soup mix or stew mixes, buying your packets of jerky, cutting them up into little pieces, throwing them with it and cooking it and letting it rehydrate that way works really good. So that's one way to get around dehydrating food. But when I've got the fridge, when I've got cooling, I think I can do better, and I'm going to strive the next couple episodes, maybe the next episode, to take this concept and make it cheaper. As I said, $12. I was in BCF, which is a outdoor adventure shop sort of place, fishing, boating, camping. I think I seen them in there the other day. They were pushing $17 for that. When you're paying $17 for a feed, you're going away for a night. That'll fill the hole as well. So yeah, all right, that's pretty much it. So let's crack her open. It doesn't look that appetizing, really, but proof is in the pudding. Now, I'll come back to this. A lot of the videos I watch are hiking videos. As I mentioned before, last season, Scotty Goes Walkabout, Eric Off Track is another one I watch as well, and a couple other videos. They're always, oh, get the titanium extended spoon forks so you can eat that. That's a single piece of rubbish. Clearly it says on the packet, tear here. I'm going to make a meal of it, so I'll get a knife. Tear here to make a bowl. Like that. Oh, look. It's a bowl. Throw that in the bin. That's going to work. So oh, it looks like cement, which is probably another bonus too. A lot less toilet trips while you're out in the bush, but that's definitely mashed potato. Might need something else. There's that. Definitely needs that. Won't go to the big hole though. About that much. Again, as fill the hole. That's better. Hot. Boil the water, 10 minutes to stay. 90 cents. Yeah. Bit of extra spice, seasoning. Tastes alright, but yeah, I think I can do a better job without paying $15, $12, $13, $17, whatever. Being a lamb, it's probably dearer, but yeah. Hell, $1 tin of spaghetti will do the job as well. So I'm going to finish this and go to the drawing board and see if I can do it better. Now, better as in cheaper. We'll see what the nutritional value is like, but yeah, a lot of peas and corn. If you don't like peas and corn, every spoon's got it. So that's it for this edition of the Budget Kitchen, and yeah, we'll get back to the trip.